Welcome to a SIM code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we will code analyzing startup programs script in Python. This script retrieves and analyzes programs that run at startup. Retrieve startup programs using msconfig. Skip header. Ensure the line is not empty. Main function to display startup programs. Get startup programs. Print each startup program. Run the startup programs analysis script. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to a SIM code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.